Hello everyone, welcome to CLC channel. Today we're going to learn how to make this sunflower air vent clip. There's a small clip attached at the back. We start with the magic ring. Chain 1 to stand up. Round 1, crochet 6 single crochets. Tighten the ring. Insert the hook into the first stitch, slip stitch to join with the first stitch. Round 2, chain 1, then make 6 increases. An increase means crocheting 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Place the yarn over the hook and hide the tail as you go. 1 single crochet and in the same stitch, crochet another single crochet. This counts as 1 increase. Increase number 2. Three, tighten the ring and leave it behind. 4, 5, 6, slip stitch to the first stitch. Round 3, chain 1, in the first stitch, single crochet in the second stitch, increase, repeat 1 single crochet, 1 increase for a total of 6 heads. Single crochet, increase and slip stitch to the first stitch, fasten off. Turn to the back, pull the yarn tight and cut it. Bring this tail to the back, weave it in. Cut off the excess. This is the front side. Next, we'll crochet the petals. We'll work into the front and back loops. Start crocheting from the half loops. These are full stitches. These are the back loops, and these are the front loops. We start by picking up the back loop. We're going to crochet all 6 petals. Insert the hook, bring in the yellow yarn. Chain 2. Next stitch, crochet 1 double crochet, yarn over, pick up the back loop, hide the tail as you crochet. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull through 2, then pull through the remaining 2. That's 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, crochet a triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert into the back loop of the next stitch. Pull up the yarn. You now have 4 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2 again, repeat 3 times in total, and still in the same stitch, crochet another double crochet. Then chain 2, slip stitch into the next stitch. That completes the first petal. Pull the back yarn tight. cut it off. Repeat this process. We need 6 petals. Chain 2, next stitch, double crochet, triple crochet, still in the same stitch, crochet another double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch into the next stitch. Be sure all of these stitches are worked into the back loops only, don't insert into the wrong stitch. Third petal, chain 2, double crochet, triple crochet, double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch into the next stitch. In the next stitch, work a triple crochet and a double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch into the first stitch. Here we need to continue by chaining 2. We're going to make the second layer of petals. For the second layer of petals, we work into the inner loops. You can see here we've left one round of loops. These are the front loops. We left a whole round of front loops. We're going to work right into these front loops and start crocheting the petals. Just repeat the same pattern. We still use 2 double crochets in each petal, 1 double crochet, then 1 triple crochet, and in this same stitch, another double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch. Just follow this method, crochet all the way to the end. When you finish with the 6th petal, leave a long tail, cut the yarn. Bring this yarn end to the back, weave in the end. We need to crochet 3 flower centers like this in total, with petals attached. We also need to crochet 3 calyx pieces like this, with the same 3 rounds as for the flower center. The method is the same. Next, take a piece of wire, cut it in the middle with scissors and insert it into the calyx. Twist it a few times here. Take out the hot glue stick. Apply a little glue here. Then fix the flower on top. Once it's secured, it will look like this. We need to make 3 in total. Next, we'll crochet the leaves. We start with the foundation chain. Make a slip knot. Crochet 15 chains. Go back to the second chain from the hook. Work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make a half double crochet. Insert into the chain. Pull the yarn through. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. This is called a half double crochet. Then work 10 double crochets along the chain. Then 1 half double crochet. Then in the last chain, in the same stitch, crochet 3 single crochets. That completes half of the leaf. For the other half, start with a half double crochet, place this tail along the hook and hide it as you crochet. Continue with 10 double crochets along the other side. Then 1 half double crochet. In the last stitch, make an increase. Slip stitch to the first stitch. This yarn tail at the back will be tied. Cut it. Take out the wire. Chain 1 and crochet 1 round of single crochet. When you crochet, keep the wire alongside your hook. Wrap the wire with the yarn like this, encasing it as you go. Just work a full round of single crochet and that's enough. After finishing, slip stitch to the first stitch. Next, we'll assemble all the pieces. If you don't have a hot glue gun at home, you can heat the glue stick with a lighter and just apply a little melted glue. Cut off the excess with scissors. Apply a bit of hot glue at the bottom to fix it in place. Take the bow we've already made, apply a bit of glue and fix it onto the piece. Then we crochet a small green circle. Round 1, 6 single crochets. Round 2, 6 increases. Same as the first 2 rounds of the flower center. Take out the air vent clip and add a bit of glue. Once everything is finished, it looks like this. And this is our sunflower for the air vent, all done. Thank you for watching and supporting me.